Triple kill. My aim is unerring.
As you could see on the top left corner, there's an ultimate ability status. As I keep getting hero damage, it keeps increasing, and as I get eliminations, it increases further. So after a bit of time, it slowly reaches to 100%. Now that my ultimate is ready, I use it to wipe out the entire opponent team. Without further ado, let's get it on to how I made this. Okay, so now let's go on to the code side of this. So here I am in Workshop, and all this has is 4 rules. 2 for the custom alt increase. This one shows the text for the alt charge, and this actually does the alt. So let's go to the first one. This is if the player dealt damage and the ultimate charge is less than 100% is a condition, then all I want to do is add, so variable A is the ultimate charge of the player. So all I want to do is add the amount damage dealt divided by 15. So that's just what gives like the percentage for the ult. Now, if the player got an elimination, I also want the ult to get increased ult charge. This again just makes sure that the ult charge is less than 100%. And so the event is if the player did elimination, and if it did, then I want to add 6% to the ultimate charge. So those are all the rules I used to actually for the ultimate to increase, but you could always add your own. And all this does is it creates some text for the player to see the ult. So it is composed of 0 and 1. 0 says ultimate ability, and 1 actually says the ultimate charge, and then the rest is all the default stuff. The last and final rule is, so if the player variable A, which is the ult charge, is less than or equal to 100%, that means it's charged fully, and the player pressed the button of his ultimate, then I'm gonna do these actions. Your ult could be anything, but mine would just kill all players of the opposite team. Then it just waits 0.25 seconds and resets the ult charge to 0. For the custom hero side of it, all you have to do is just make sure that for whichever hero making the custom ult, you disable the default ult. So in my case, I disabled the default Dragon Blade for Genji. If you want to just copy the code, then this is the code to import the game settings, Z0SY4. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share and subscribe, and watch out for the new videos.